Hello guys, I am here now to present to you the assignment for Arduino interfacing. First, we are going to look for what is the problem that is being given. So, the problem is for number one, it is said that the LED LED should be connected to pin 13 and the LED should be off at first when the program started. And then the deciding factor for the LED to turn on and turn off is when the user inputs 1 and or 0, 1 for on and 0 for off, using only the serial monitor. And for the second problem, it is to simulate a traffic light, which is a color of yellow, red, and green, which corresponds respectively corresponds to each of these pin allowable 8 and 10 and 12. So this is where your LED will be input in the Arduino. And then it is said that the red signal will light for 3 seconds and it will last until the yellow signal will turn on. So for 4 seconds the red is turned on, but on the third second of the red the yellow will turn on. And then after those 4 seconds interval, both are on, and then the yellow and the red will be turned off, followed by a green signal, which is the green LED at this time is on, and this state will last for 3 seconds, and again it will turn off, and then it will turn on again and wait for 0.5 second and it will turn off. So this turning off and turning on of green who has a delay of 0.5 second will repeat for 3 times. So we are going to make a program that will correspond to these problems. So the process, so turn in a video demonstration in action and provide a link. So here, at first I created a code for both. We start for number one, the problem. So we have here a pin mode 13 output, which is which is where our LED is attached. Serial begin, it is to initialize the serial. So while serial is still there, and then when you open the serial, there will come a there will appear an instruction, which is input 1 on and 0 for turn off. This is an instruction. This will only run for once because this is set up. And this is here where this void loop, this is where your program will run according to the condition given. So serial giving available, so serial read. So if the serial read if the serial reads a 1 state, digital write 13 is high, and there is a instruction that is it's high on the serial monitor, and if it's 0 it's low, and instruction is LED is off. So first we are going to demonstrate here in the serial monitor first. Oh, I forgot. So I forgot to input. So let's first input the Arduino. I will provide a video for another video, a separate video for demonstration for the actual circuit. So we have to verify. As you can see, it's okay, and then upload. And then I will provide a separate video for upload. Here we just have to look for the actual for the serial monitor. So it is said turn on 0, and when I turn 1 it's LED on. It's LED on here, but I will show you the different video and off. That's all for the LED for the LED, which is to be program with a serial monitor. Let's move now to the traffic light. So in the traffic light, I initialize the 3 LED, which is the red, yellow, green, with its corresponding pins to the Arduino according to the instruction 8, 10, 12. Set up, this is will run once only. It is to initialize that it is an output. Next is the void loop. This is where your code will repeat until a desired output is being achieved. So change lights So this corresponds to this one and this void. So change lights, I put high for high red for 3 seconds, and then another high yellow for 1 second, so total of 4 seconds for this state. And then both LED, yellow and red, will be turned off, but the green will high for 3 seconds, for in our case here 3000 milliseconds, and then after that it will turn off, and then we have a delay for 500 seconds. Now this is the code for the loop that would blink the green LED for 3 times with a delay of 0.5 second. So here, this is a counter for loop. You can use, by the way, you can use a while statement or if, whatever you can. You can also just write this 3 times. But for me, as a programmer, you have to make use of the function of the code to make it short. So that is to make short of the code, I use the for loop. This is the counter, and this is the initialization when 0, and this is the boolean expression that is will repeat the loop when the statement is true, and when the statement is false, this would terminate, and this is for the increment, the counter, the increment by 1. So that's all for the code for the traffic light. I will verify first to show you that it's running, and then upload. So I will provide for the separate video for the actual demonstration of the circuit. So that's all for this one, and we will move to the circuit. This is the separate video for the actual action for the circuit to work. So first, we are going to view the LED. It's turned off, as the problem says. It should be turned off when the program is start. So we're going to for the serial monitor, and its input. It said that if the user inputs 1, the LED will on. So as you can see, it's turning off on. So when the user, to turn off the LED, the user has to put 0 to turn it off, and so it's off, and then it's off. So again, for demonstration, 1 on, and turn off, 0 off. So that's all for the number 1 problem. Guys, this is now for the simulation, the actual representation of the traffic light. So first, I'm going to upload. So that's the signal for upload. So it said that the red LED will turn on for 3 seconds, followed by the yellow to turn on after the red for 1 second. So a total of turning on both red and yellow for 4 seconds for red and 1 second for yellow. And then there is a turn off for both, and then followed by the turning on of green for 3 seconds. And then it will blink for 3 times with a delay of 0.5 second. So you can see it here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, red. 1, 2, 3. Yellow. On. 4. Off. And then 3 seconds. On for 3. I blink for 3. One, 2, 3, 4. Off. 1, 2, 3. Off. 1, 2, 3. So that's all for the actual demonstration for the simulation for traffic light. So hello guys, this is now the representation of the circuit, how I connected it. So the red wire represents the red LED, yellow for yellow LED, green for green LED, and for the problem one, it is represented by a white LED. So as you can see, I follow the instruction. It is to connect the white to pin 13, and then either of the 3 LEDs is connected to 12, 10, or 8. And then I provided a connection for ground, 5 volts, the red is for positive, and then the ground is for brown. So here, for the problem 1, LED was connected, the negative side of LEDs is connected to the ground, and then the positive side is connected to the other end of a resistor, 1k ohm, and then connected to this wire which leads to pin 13. Now we move for problem number 2. As you can see here, the red represents the red LED and so on. And so the positive side of the LED is connected in series together with other LED. So this red LED is connected to the other yellow LED, which is connected also to the green, and then the green is then connected to the negative side. Well, the positive leg of the 3 LEDs is attached with each with a resistor, a 1k ohm, and then the other leg of these 3 resistors is being attached to the corresponding color of the wire, which is red for red LED, red cable, and then red for yellow for yellow, and green for green. And then it's connected with and then it's connected to the Arduino. So that's all for the circuit. I hope it's clear for you. Thank you.